Hello guys, how can you make money from selling Telegram usernames? Now there's this update from Telegram. If you have been on Telegram for a while now, I'm sure you must have seen the update. Yeah, this is what the update says, that users can now buy and sell short recognizable at usernames for personal accounts, public accounts, or public groups, channels, and auction them for sales. Like this major one that is also on ground. If you can see, there is this. Look at this, at Paul, at Mary, at Club. It's live on Fragment. So now what this means is you can sell any any Telegram username. Just like you hear of people that sells domain, and that's more of domain flipping. People buy domain and resell at a huge amount of money. So Telegram has updated their users that they can now buy and sell Telegram usernames. Now, to be able to get this done, you must have secured a unique Telegram name. Take for instance, I secured an account. I secured a Telegram username at Sell Crypto Fast. So now what I did was to visit the auction platform so that I will auction it for sale. Now, before you can auction this on the very platform we are going to use, I'm going to be showing you that you need to first create a wallet. So you go to your Play Store, you go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, and download this app called Tone Keeper. This app, Tone Keeper. So you go to Play Store and type Tone Keepers, Tone Keeper wallet. So this is the wallet. So once you install or you download the wallet, you install and you open. So as soon as you open your wallet, you'll be asked to import an already existing wallet or you create a new wallet. So for those of you that are just getting access to the app for the first time, all you need to do is just to create an account. So I think my network is disturbing. Let me switch. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is how the Tron wallet looks like once you are done setting up your account. So like I said, if it's your first time, all you need to do is just to click on the create account and create an account. Make sure you have your private key saved. You can see currently this tone is currently measured as of today, is currently ranging at $1.66. So one of it is ranging at $1.66. So imagine if you're having multiple of this, you're going to be earning in dollars. So all you need to do is just get this account set up and you are good to go. Remember I told you you must have your username account set up, your unique username unique username for Telegram already created. Then you go to your Play Store and click on Tone Wallet, Tone Keeper Wallet. You install and set up an account. Once you are done setting up an account, the next thing to do is to visit Fragment. Go to Play Store, go to your Google and type Fragment, fragment.com. So this is it. You can see fragment.com. This is it. You can see these are other channels. These are other usernames. This person at news listed this for 735,000 tones. So you can imagine. And that, remember, one tone is more than 1.6. That's about $1.6 for one tone currently. So it means you're going to be having $1.6 times $735,000 if this person makes big sales. You can see. So these are different auctions that people have done. So what you need to do is once you come to this very place, you sign up an account by connecting your wallet. So you can see my wallet is connected. Let me disconnect it. Let me try to disconnect. Let's see. Okay, let me disconnect. So you can say I just disconnected it. So once you visit fragment.com, click on connect to Tone. Then it will give you access to sign in with Tone. You click on sign in with Tone. So if it is on another phone, you can scan it. You click on sign in with Tone. Then it will take you to where you will be able to click the Tone Keeper app. So I'll click on it, click on just once. You can see it's connecting to my wallet. I will accept connect wallet. I will insert my password. So you can see connect to fragment.com from it's requesting access to. Okay, it's requesting access. Let's see as it loads. Just few minutes. Why are you taking time? Okay, you can see it's connected. You can see my Tonekeeper wallet is connected to my fragment.com. So what I will do is to unction an account. So I'll click my asset, though there's no asset, then I'll click convert usernames to collectibles. I can click on convert usernames. You can see this is what is available. So all I did was to insert the Telegram username. So you go back to, let's go back to, okay, let's just say you type at the username you want to insert. Once you type the username will appear just like this sell crypto fast. So let me type sell crypto fast. Even though it's long, but I just decided to use this for the sake of this as a practical guide. So you can see this is unavailable. So I'll click on it. Okay. Okay, I already placed it. So it's not available. I already connected it. So let me go to my account. So had it been, I have not connected it to this account. It's going to show available. Then I'll continue with it. So let me go to my asset. You can see convert and you can see I have that sell crypto fast. So what I will do is just to click on this place on auction. I'll please click on option. You can see this username can't be placed on auction at the moment. You most likely haven't owned the username long enough. So you can see this is one of the reasons they are not granting me access to place this. So this is definitely going to stay till the time I'll be asked or I'll be allowed to. So take for instance, some of you that will be able to create a unique Telegram username earlier enough, it will be very easy for you to get access to this function and you can place a bid on it. Now people are definitely going to be researching where doing platforms and they are going to set bids and they are going to make sales. So that's the update. That's all about the update. That's what is happening currently. That's what is happening currently. So you can decide to consider it. You can decide to consider this as something profitable to you and you are good to go. I hope you find this video valuable. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumb like and don't forget to subscribe so that you get valuable content as I drop. Once I see updates like this that will be useful to my audience, I will do my best to go into understanding how it works so that I'll get it done and explained so that it will be to your proper consumption. And I hope you won't find it invaluable. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that icon so that once I drop updates like this, you will be among the first persons to get access so that you can consume. Remember, updates like this, they are time bound. They can be limited or there's that possibility that you may miss out. So early adoption actually matters. Jump into things as soon as possible and you'll be surprised that you're going to maximize this. So imagine if you were able to get a unique username some years ago when Telegram came on board. Maybe you are among the first early people that adopted Telegram. Today you'll be making so much. So imagine you got access to a username like maybe uh, let's say crypto or NFT whale or crypto whale before today, today you would have made so much because it will sell so fast. So early adoption matters a lot. Don't ignore the call. And if you are not ready for it, don't deprive others. Share it to others so that others can get access to this information as well.